You just ate a what?
Solvable airboard.
Oh, look, good.
Where's the where'd you put the long tube that you brought him?
You see it's up there. It's in safe hands.
It's up by his bougie bag.
Don't be jelly in my bougie bag.
He's bougie AF.
Alright, so what had happened was we were at our Airbnb. She convinced us that this place was very close. It wasn't close. Maybe she ran, but we're not cross triathlon athletes. So that's not gonna happen for us. So we pretty much walked and it wasn't there. Did we were we looking? We're kinda lost.
A few moments later.
So silly guys like this guy choose the pink packets when they go out to eat, and it's got saccharin in it, which isn't good for you. So worst choice out of every single artificial sweetener, this guy chooses. So, good job, buddy. Not bad. Monk fruit could be good. It's got dextrose. Why? So it's similar to this, right? Aspartame is an artificial. First ingredient's dextrose with maltodextrin. They're telling you right off the bat, hey, here's some sugar. Insanity. That's why we go with the Pure. Pure has erythritol, stevia, and that's it. This Swerve has erythritol and oligosaccharides, which is inulin. And even though inulin's a good prebiotic, it can cause a little gastric distress. So Pure it is.
Look how hard it is.
Is that almond?
It tastes good, but it was like
Oh, it's not.
it's not runny. Maybe it'll change it whenever you do the whole thing.
Purely dry roasted almonds, that's why.
It's not bad though.
We'll try that one. Come on.
With peanuts.
No, but
Can you use the other one?
see, look, no one just says that too. So I'm curious if we run it longer.
What if we did half and half?
Yeah, it doesn't matter which one. I just usually use almond.
Oh,
because it's
dude, that peanut butter is
carbs and
insane.
peanut. Bro,
That's for 50? 50 what? Of the cookie dough?
this is what has
I
the
see what you're
most.
gonna do there. Yeah, I knew it. Just gonna take the side off.
Nice to meet you guys.
306.
306. Come on, man. Of course. You have to. What's going on, brother?
Good to see you, man.
Just checking some
Hi.
emails.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm Josh.
Good to see you.
Say that again?
Long time. Hi,
I don't know if I
yeah,
caught
good
that
to
the
see
first
you.
time.
She makes all the
Jabelli?
recipes on keto.
Oh,
GB.
You're
GB.
the one.
I dig it.
She's a recipe
Awesome.
girl.
I feel like we've met before one time.
No, just
Nope.
Instagram.
We've social stalked each other. Perfect. Yeah.
How's it going? Hi, I'm
What's,
Paul.
what's going on, Paul? Josh?
There's a random come around, I know.
Hi,
Good.
Victoria.
No.
Paul, nice to meet you.
Nice
I've
to meet
seen
you. Yeah, this is Amber. Amber, how do you met? Right? Keto Pet Valiant.
Awesome.
Yeah.
How's it going, Paul? Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you. Hi.
It's the entourage. It's one
Paul.
after another.
Nice to see you.
Awesome.
I didn't sign a waiver for the camera. I'm kidding. You sure?
You said bring everything in that damn box. I was like,
Your mom put them in there. I didn't.
oh, I forgot
But
to
then we
send
can text and literally give these away here then. Whatever these don't go, they're pretty much staying here regardless. These are.
Yep.
Boom.
What's this? Speaker.
I wish we had like 1,000 of these.
Oh no, those are really good. At Keto Con, setting up kind of day one, setting up the table. Got a lot of exciting things for people to take away. GB's gonna crush it tomorrow with the recipes. Paul's gonna absolutely blow it with the t-shirts tomorrow. We're just gonna have a great time. I'm gonna, who knows what's gonna happen with the presentation. Could go extremely well, could go awful. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna have fun, we're gonna crush it. Super excited to be here.
Oh, it smells like it's right now.
It's
So
stretch
should we-
more.
You wanna cook it?
Oh, that's it.
Going down in the book. Here at Onnit Gym in Austin, just got an amazing workout in. You know, it's incredible what Aubrey's done here with Onnit, encompassing the concept of total human optimization. Not only have they created great supplements, but first class, high quality customer service. Absolutely amazing, man. We'll see you at Keto Con.
All right, day one update. So pretty much, I keep eating these cookie doughs, edible cookie dough. GB keeps telling me not to, but you don't listen because we're men. You know. Regardless, we're doing pretty good. There's a lot of selling out. Get a lot of flux of people coming over. Other than that, man, it's just chill. You know, having a good time trying to spread the educational knowledge on keto. It's going good though. It's going good.